ॐ अथ देव्या कवचम् ॐ अस्य श्रीचण्डीकवचस्य ब्रह्मा ऋषिः अनुष्टुप् चामुण्डा देवता अङ्गन्या सूक्तमातरो बीजम् दिग्बन्धदेवतास्तत्त्वम् श्रीजगदम्बा प्रीत्यर्थे सप्तसखी पाठाङ्गत्वेन जपे विनियोगः। ॐ नमश्चण्डिकायै। मार्कण्डेय उवाच ॐ यद्गुह्यं परमं लोके सर्वरक्षाकरं नृणां यन्न कस्यचिदाज्ञातं तन्मे ब्रूहि पितामह। ब्रह्मोवाच अस्ति गुह्यतमं विप्र सर्वभूतोपकारकं देव्यास्तु कवचं पुण्यं तच्छृणुष्व महामुने। प्रथमं शैलपुत्री च द्वितीयं ब्रह्मचारिणी तृतीयं चन्द्रघण्टेति कूष्माण्डेति चतुर्थकं पञ्चमं स्कन्दमातेति षष्ठं कात्यायनीति च सप्तमं कालरात्रीति महागौरीति चाष्टमम् नवमं सिद्धिदात्री च नवदुर्गाः प्रकीर्तिताः। उक्तान्येतानि नामानि ब्रह्मणैव महात्मना। The next few lines he is going to say like how the kavacham will protect you, how these different deities will protect you, in what kind of circumstances, how it will protect. Agnina dahyamanastu
Agnina dahyamanastu Agnina dahyamanastu
Shatru madhye gathorane
Shatru madhye gathorane Shatru madhye gathorane
Agnina dahyamanastu Shatru madhye gathorane
Agnina dahyamanastu Shatru madhye gathorane Agnina dahyamanastu Shatru madhye gathorane
Vishame durgame chaiva
Vishame durgame chaiva Vishame durgame chaiva
Bhayata sharanam gataha
Bhayata sharanam gataha Bhayata sharanam gataha
Vishame durgame chaiva Bhayata sharanam gataha
Vishame durgame chaiva Bhayata sharanam gataha Vishame durgame chaiva Bhayata sharanam gataha
Agnina dahyamanastu Shatru madhye gathorane Vishame durgame chaiva Bhayata sharanam gataha
Agnina dahyamanastu Shatru madhye gathorane Vishame durgame chaiva Bhayata sharanam gataha Agnina dahyamanastu Shatru madhye gathorane Vishame durgame chaiva Bhayata sharanam gataha.
Agnina dahyamanastu. We all know how fast fire can spread at the time when one is consumed by fire. So there is no, things had to happen so fast. Agnina dahyamanastu. When one is being consumed by fire, or Shatru madhye gatorane. In a battlefield, if you are surrounded by all your enemies, You are alone. You are surrounded by all your enemies. Shatru Madhye. You are surrounded by all the enemies at that time. He says, when fire is consuming you, or when you are in the battlefield in the midst of your enemies. The two things, Vishame Durgame Chaiva Bhayartha. The fear comes when the fear comes, fear of life, when when the death is approaching. These two places where you are when you are being consumed by fire, or in the middle of in the battlefield in the midst of your enemies. Vishame Durgame Chaiva. Always unknown is scary. What is going to happen? Vishame Durgame Chaiva. That any adversity that happen in your life, that fear grips you. The fear grips you in all these three places when your life itself is challenged. Your future is challenged. So during that time, Agnina Dahyamanastu Shatru Madhye Gatorane Vishame Durgame Chaiva Bhayartha Sharanam Gataha, the one who takes refuge in her. They have not completed that, it is still a comma. So the one who takes refuge in her during these times. That is the next line. He says, what will happen to them? Okay? Natesham jayate kinchit.
Natesham jayate kinchit. Natesham jayate kinchit.
Ashubham rana sankhate.
Ashubham rana sankhate. Ashubham rana sankhate.
Natesham jayate kinchit ashubham rana sankhate.
Natesham jayate kinchit ashubham rana sankhate.
Ideally, when you are learning, I will split like this: kinchit and ashubham. When you are saying together, try and say it together. Kinchit ashubham. Don't split it that time. Okay. See, this is basically to understand how the words are split. When I am saying, I don't want to say it like one full word. You have to know how it is split. Okay. Natesham jayate kinchid ashubham rana sankhate.
Natesham jayate kinchid ashubham rana sankhate. Natesham jayate kinchid ashubham rana sankhate.
Napadam tasya pashyami.
Napadam tasya pashyami. Napadam tasya pashyami.
Shoka dukkha bhayam nahi.
Shoka dukkha bhayam nahi. Shoka dukkha bhayam nahi.
Napadam tasya pashyami. Shoka dukkha bhayam nahi.
Napadam tasya pashyami. Shoka dukkha bhayam nahi. Napadam tasya pashyami. Shoka dukkha bhayam nahi.
Natesham jayate kinchid ashubham rana sankhate. Napadam tasya pashyami. Shoka dukkha bhayam nahi.
Natesham jayate kinchid ashubham rana sankhate. Napadam tasya pashyami. Shoka dukkha bhayam nahi. Natesham jayate kinchid ashubham rana sankhate. Napadam tasya pashyami. Shoka dukkha bhayam nahi.
Natesham jayate kinchid ashubham. Even a little inauspiciousness, nothing will happen to him. Even a little, kinchit. Kinchit means very little. Even the little. When he is in the midst of all kind of dangers, when he thinks about her, smaraniyam, when he thinks about her, when he takes refuge at her feet, then nothing inauspicious will happen to him. Kinchid ashubham rana sankate, these dangers, rana sankate, crisis, Napadam tasya pashyami shoka dukkha bhayam nahi. Pashyami means the one who sees. He will never see sorrow or dukkham, bhayam, the fear or sorrow. He will not see in his life. So he will have the courage to face her because he has her support. Okay. Yaistu bhaktya smruthanunam.
Yaistu bhaktya smruthanunam. Yaistu bhaktya smruthanunam.
Tesham vriddhih prajayate.
Tesham vriddhih prajayate. Tesham vriddhih prajayate.
Yaistu bhaktya smruthanunam. Tesham vriddhih prajayate.
Yaistu bhaktya smruthanunam. Tesham vriddhih prajayate. Yaistu bhaktya smruthanunam. Tesham vriddhih prajayate.
Ye tvam smaranti deveshi.
Ye tvam smaranti deveshi. Ye tvam smaranti deveshi.
Rakshasetanna samshayah.
Rakshasetanna samshayah. Rakshasetanna samshayah.
Ye tvam smaranti deveshi. Rakshasetanna samshayah.
Ye tvam smaranti deveshi. Rakshasetanna samshayah. Ye tvam smaranti deveshi. Rakshasetanna samshayah.
Yaistu bhaktya smruthanunam. Tesham vriddhih prajayate. Ye tvam smaranti deveshi. Rakshasetanna samshayah.
Yaistu bhaktya smruthanunam. Tesham vriddhih prajayate. Ye tvam smaranti deveshi. Rakshasetanna samshayah. Yaistu bhaktya smruthanunam. Tesham vriddhih prajayate. Ye tvam smaranti deveshi. Rakshasetanna samshayah.
For certain, those who remember her, they will face success in their life. It is not only success, she is always there to protect you. Don't doubt about being successful when you remember her. Not only that, her smaranam doesn't even only bring success, it also protects you. Because the kavacham is all about protection. So they insist on that. It protects you. Why smaranam they are saying? They are not asking you to recite any slokam or anything like, when you are in trouble. The mind can be like stunned, cannot comprehend what is, when you are in the middle of something. I don't know, because we are all aged, we know we have gone through so much in our lives. We know exactly what it is like when you face trouble in life. No? She is also looking at me. We all know it because we have gone through this experience. Believe me, I keep reciting Lalita Sahasranama every day. We do so much of prayer, so much of puja, everything. But when you are in that kind of a trouble, not one line comes to your head. Not one line of whatever you have been doing every day. It is not like, see, when you do something every day, it will become a practice, no? Whether even in sleep or walk, it is like brushing your teeth and having a bath and things like that. It becomes a second nature of yours. But when you are in trouble, believe me, trust me, not one single line comes into your head. That is why they say Smaraniyam. You just feel her. You just think about her. You don't need to recite any long verses. You don't need to do anything. That with the bhavana, that bhavana in the trust in your mind, in your heart, think about her. The famous conversation between Abhay Dikshidhar and Nilakanta Dikshidhar. Abadi kim karaniyam. What I have to do when problem comes, when the crisis comes in my life. What to do when the crisis, when you are in a crisis. Abadi kim karaniyam. Smaraniyam. Pada yugalam ambaya. Abhay Dikshidhar says in reply to Nilakanta Dikshidhar, Smaraniyam pada yugalam ambaya. You just remember her feet. You don't need anything else. Remember that holy feet. Wherever you go, Krishna Padam, you see Padam only, we say Pada Darshanam. Guru means Pada Darshanam. Shiva only, there is no Padam or head or anything. One lingam is there. But for everybody, we insist on that something that you see it, you have to remember it at the time of your travel. Smaraniyam Padayugalam Ambaya. You remember her holy feet. That is enough for you. She will take care of it. That kind of a... So don't even have the smallest of samshaya. Don't have even a fraction of doubt in your mind. She is there to support you. Not only in your success. In your crisis, when she needs to protect you, she is there. Her worship doesn't give you only success, but it also gives protection. Who is telling? Brahma is telling this. Okay, next line we'll go. Now he describes about, see what happens, like he is describing so many forms now. Different names of the deities. Why only our Sanatana Dharma has got so many? One deity also has got hundreds of forms. We have got so many millions of gods. Because we are so many millions of people, our tastes are not the same. Our tastes are different. I may worship her, but in my heart there is always soft corner for Krishna. Because I started with his worship. No? I can look at them like that. Somebody can look at it as Shiva, somebody can look at it Anjanaya, somebody can Muruga, somebody Ganesha. We are millions of people with so varied taste and varied attitude. So the connection towards the Supreme is also varied. Because it depends so much on your attitude and your karma, prarabdha karma, which you carry. Now you people are all sitting here and learning something. This Dev-Mahatmyam. The karma in the previous janma is bringing you here to learn this. It is not you or me. The way somehow we were connected in some of the janmas, that's why I am sitting here and teaching and you are learning. That's all. But these are all like, pre-decided, destined. So the karma plays you, so your attitude also changes. No two people behave the same way. Two people in the same family also don't behave the same way. Go, don't even think about others. If you have two children are not the same. Same mother, same father, same atmosphere, everything is the same, but not different. So that's why there are many number of deities, many number of, like Sanatana Dharma has got lots. But we are looking at only one. I used to always say this anecdote, like when we were all learning painting, we'll arrange something in the middle, like, one cup, one sheet, something like, fallen, pepper fallen, or salt fallen, or glass, steel glass, glass, All those things, different textures and different things will be arranged. We were all, only one thing, we were all made to sit in different places, observe it and paint. At the end of the day, when you see, no painting is the same. Because I am looking at from here, somebody is looking at from here, somebody is looking from the back. So from different places, the same thing looks so different. That is the concept of our Sanatana Dharma. They thought like, these people are so different. Let them do what they want to connect with. The main importance is not the deity, where you are able to make the connection. That can be anybody. That can be a stone, that can be a tree, that can be a river, that can be a mountain. We have given all options open. That is the reason we have got so many deities we are going to see now. Brahma says, choose whatever you want. It is like that. It is only about Devi. It is not about other deities. Only Devi has got so many forms now. Okay. Preta samsthatu chamunda.
Preta samsthatu chamunda. Preta samsthatu chamunda.
Varahi mahishasana.
Varahi mahishasana. Varahi mahishasana.
Preta samsthatu chamunda. Varahi mahishasana.
Preta samsthatu chamunda. Varahi mahishasana. Preta samsthatu chamunda. Varahi mahishasana.
Aindri gaja samarudha.
Aindri gaja samarudha. Aindri gaja samarudha.
Vaishnavi garudasana.
Vaishnavi garudasana. Vaishnavi garudasana.
Aindri gaja samarudha. Vaishnavi garudasana.
Aindri gaja samarudha. Vaishnavi garudasana. Aindri gaja samarudha. Vaishnavi garudasana.
Preta samsthatu chamunda. Varahi mahishasana. Aindri gaja samarudha. Vaishnavi garudasana.
Preta samsthatu chamunda. Varahi mahishasana. Aindri gaja samarudha. Vaishnavi garudasana. Preta samsthatu chamunda. Varahi mahishasana. Aindri gaja samarudha. Vaishnavi garudasana.
All these deities, they have the same weapons and same vehicle like their male counterpart. Excepting Chamunda. Chamunda is seated on a corpse. Pretham means corpse. She is standing on that. Preta samstha, she is standing on the corpse. Varahi mahishasana. Varaha Rupam Mahishasana. She is Mahisham buffalo. Buffalo is the vehicle for the Varahi. Aindri Gajasamarudha. Aindri is Indra's wife. Aindri she is called. She is Gajasamarudha. Indra always comes on a white elephant. Vehicle is his vehicle. Airavatham. In the same way, Aindri also comes on Gajam, that is elephant. Vaishnavi Garudasana. Vaishnavi is the Vishnu's counterpart. So Garudan is her vehicle. Maheshwari Vrisharudha.
Maheshwari Vrisharudha. Maheshwari Vrisharudha.
Kaumari Shikivahana.
Kaumari Shikivahana. Kaumari Shikivahana.
माहेश्वरी वृषारूढा कौमारी शिखिवाहना
माहेश्वरी वृषारूढा कौमारी शिखिवाहना माहेश्वरी वृषारूढा कौमारी शिखिवाहना
लक्ष्मीः पद्मासना देवी
लक्ष्मी पद्मासना देवी लक्ष्मी पद्मासना देवी
पद्महस्ता हरिप्रिया
पद्महस्ता हरिप्रिया पद्महस्ता हरिप्रिया
लक्ष्मीः पद्मासना देवी पद्महस्ता हरिप्रिया
लक्ष्मी पद्मासना देवी पद्महस्ता हरिप्रिया लक्ष्मी पद्मासना देवी पद्महस्ता हरिप्रिया
माहेश्वरी वृषारूढा कौमारी शिखिवाहना लक्ष्मीः पद्मासना देवी पद्महस्ता हरिप्रिया
माहेश्वरी वृषारूढा कौमारी शिखिवाहना लक्ष्मी पद्मासना देवी पद्महस्ता हरिप्रिया माहेश्वरी वृषारूढा कौमारी शिखिवाहना लक्ष्मी पद्मासना देवी पद्महस्ता हरिप्रिया
Maheshwari is Maheshwara's counterpart, Kanasal, and she is mounted on a bull. Kaumari Shikivahana. Shiki means peacock. Kaumari, Kumara, Skanda, who is the warrior king, warrior deity here. So Skanda, Kaumari. So she also comes on. Shiki means peacock. Okay, Shikivahana. Lakshmi Padmasana. Lakshmi is seated on a Padma, lotus. Devi Padmahasta Haripriya. She is also holding lotuses in her hands. Haripriya, she is the beloved of Mahavishnu. Haripriya. Lakshmi Padmasana Devi Padmahasta Haripriya. So Maheshwari is on Vrishabham, that is bull. Kaumari is on peacock. And Lakshmi is seated on Padma, that is lotus. Okay. Shvetarupadhara Devi.
Shvetarupadhara Devi. Shvetarupadhara Devi.
Ishwari Vrishabhahana.
Ishwari Vrishabhahana. Ishwari Vrishabhahana.
Shvetarupadhara Devi. Ishwari Vrishabhahana.
श्वेतरूपधरा देवी ईश्वरी वृषवाहना श्वेतरूपधरा देवी ईश्वरी वृषवाहना
ब्राह्मी हंस समारूढ़ा
ब्राह्मी हंस समारूढ़ा ब्राह्मी हंस समारूढ़ा
सर्वाभरण भूषिता
सर्वाभरणभूषिता सर्वाभरणभूषिता
ब्राह्मी हंस समारूढ़ा सर्वाभरण भूषिता
ब्राह्मी हंस समारूढ़ा सर्वाभरणभूषिता ब्राह्मी हंस समारूढ़ा सर्वाभरणभूषिता
श्वेतरूपधरा देवी ईश्वरी वृषवाहना ब्राह्मी हंस समारूढ़ा सर्वाभरण भूषिता
श्वेतरूपधरा देवी ईश्वरी वृषवाहना ब्राह्मी हंस समारूढ़ा सर्वाभरणभूषिता श्वेतरूपधरा
Shweta Rupadara. She is in a pure white form. Ishwari means the one who rules this prapancha. So Ishwari, who is pure white in form, is seated on a bull, Vrishavahana. She is seated on a bull. There are so many, because it's all Shiva's form, lot of these devis are seated on bull or buffalo. Okay. Brahmi is Brahma's consort, is Brahmi. She is Brahma's Vahanam, is Hamsa, that is white swan. So in the same way, she is also seated on a swan. But Sarva Bharana Bhushita, she is wearing all kind of jewelry. Sarva Bharana Bhushita. These Madhas are mentioned here because these Madhas are going to come later when Ambal is fighting. They emerge from her body. So in the same way, now their names are mentioned here. How they are going to come for the fight, we will see it when the chapter comes, okay? Ityeta mataras sarvaha.
Ityeta mataras sarvaha. Ityeta mataras sarvaha.
Sarva yoga samanvitaha.
Sarva yoga samanvitaha. Sarva yoga samanvitaha.
Ityeta mataras sarva yoga samanvitaha.
Ityeta mataras sarva yoga samanvitaha. Ityeta mataras sarva yoga samanvitaha.
Nana bharana shobhadhya.
Nana bharana shobhadhya. Nana bharana shobhadhya.
Nana ratnopashobhitaha.
Nana ratnopashobhitaha. Nana ratnopashobhitaha.
Nana bharana shobhadhya. Nana ratnopashobhitaha.
Nana bharana shobhadhya. Nana ratnopashobhitaha. Nana bharana shobhadhya. Nana ratnopashobhitaha.
Ityeta mataras sarva yoga samanvitaha. Nana bharana shobhadhya. Nana ratnopashobhitaha.
Ityeta mataras sarva yoga samanvitaha. Nana bharana shobhadhya. Nana ratnopashobhitaha. Ityeta mataras sarva yoga samanvitaha. Nana bharana shobhadhya. Nana ratnopashobhitaha.
All these mothers, Sarva Yoga Samanvita, they are all united together. They are not separate, they are all united. They have got different Vaganas, but they are all united together because they all emerge from only one source. Yoga Samanvita, yoga means union, united together. All these mothers, Ityeta Mataras Sarva. All these mothers are united together. Nana Bharana Shobhadhya, Nana Ratnova Shobhitaha. They are wearing all kind of jewelry. Nana Ratnova means gem-studded, different gems-studded jewelry. It is not plain jewelry. It is gem-studded jewelry. They are wearing all kinds of things. Okay. In this, now we are going to see how this Chamunda Devi, who is now we are approaching, how she looks. Okay, next line is Drishyante Rathamarudha.
Drishyante Rathamarudha. Drishyante Rathamarudha.
Devyah Krodha Samakulaha.
Devyah Krodha क्रोधसमाकुलाः देव्यः क्रोधसमाकुलाः
Krodham, Kopam, rendu onnuda. There is nothing wrong in saying both. She has got that anger in her face. Krodham takes the Kopam little extra. Range, like, rage it is. Kopam is normal Kopam that we all get it. Anger. But this is rage. Krodham is little like, that's it. You can say both. There's nothing wrong in that. The meaning also doesn't change and the bijam also doesn't change. So you can stick to whatever you are comfortable with, you can say it if it is true. Okay? Tappu kediyadu. Bijam marla. Drishyante rathamarudha devyah krodha samakulaha.
दृश्यन्ते रथमारूढा देव्यः क्रोधसमाकुलाः दृश्यन्ते रथमारूढा देव्यः क्रोधसमाकुलाः
शङ्खं चक्रं गदां शक्तिं
शङ्खं चक्रं गदां शक्तिं शङ्खं चक्रं गदां शक्तिं
हलं च मुसलायुधम्
हलं च मुसलायुधम् हलं च मुसलायुधम्
शङ्खं चक्रं गदां शक्तिं हलं च मुसलायुधम्
शङ्खं चक्रं गदां शक्तिं हलं च मुसलायुधम् शङ्खं चक्रं गदां शक्तिं हलं च मुसलायुधम्
दृश्यन्ते रथमारूढा देव्यः क्रोधसमाकुलाः शङ्खं चक्रं गदां शक्तिं हलं च मुसलायुधम्
दृश्यन्ते रथमारूढा देव्यः क्रोधसमाकुलाः शङ्खं चक्रं गदां शक्तिं हलं च मुसलायुधम् दृश्यन्ते रथमारूढा देव्यः क्रोधसमाकुलाः शङ्खं चक्रं गदां शक्तिं हलं च मुसलायुधम्
Drishyante Rathamarudha. When these mothers are united in one side, they are all together. That time on a chariot, like Ratham Arudha, you are seated, riding a chariot. Chariot, seated on a chariot. Ratham Arudha. Drishyante is seen. Drishyante Rathamarudha. Devya Krodha Samakula. Not as simple goddess. This Devi is Krodham, with the rage. She is so agitated. She is seated on a Ratham. What all she is having in her hand, that is what? Shankam. Shankam is the conch. Chakram. Chakram, you all know, it is discussed. Chakram. Gatha. Mahavishnu holds the Gatha. Gatham. Shaktim. Shaktim is the sphere kind of a thing where, like, Muruga holds it in his hand. Veil, we call it as veil here, but it will be a sharp, this thing he is having here in this. Like Shakti it is called Shakti. Halam, Shaktim, Halam Chamus. Halam means Halayudam, plow. Parashurama has the Parashu, we call it. That is also a name given. Halam is why they have a plow means when they are fighting, hooking them up and chopping them. Like it's very easy to, because the way the plow is shaped, like you can pin them very easily and fight with it, destroy them. Musalayudam. Musalam is a club. Dandam club. It is a club. So Shankam, Chakram, Gada is the mace, Shakti is the sphere, Halam is the plow, and Musalam is the club. Okay? But it is not over. She has got some more things in her hand that we will see to the next one. Ketakam tomaram jaiva.
Ketakam tomaram chaiva. Ketakam tomaram chaiva.
Parashum pashamevacha.
Parashum pashamevacha. Parashum pashamevacha.
I think Balaramar and Parshuramar, I only missed it. Balaramar is holding the plow and Parshuramar is holding the parashu axe. Okay. Ketakam tomaram jaiva parashum pashamevacha.
Ketakam tomaram chaiva parashum pashamevacha. Ketakam tomaram chaiva parashum pashamevacha.
Kuntayudham trishulam cha.
Kuntayudham trishulam cha. Kuntayudham trishulam cha.
Shargamayudhamuttamam.
Shargamayudhamuttamam. Shargamayudhamuttamam.
Kuntayudham trishulam cha. Shargamayudhamuttamam.
Kuntayudham trishulam cha. Shargamayudhamuttamam. Kuntayudham trishulam cha. Shargamayudhamuttamam.
Ketakam tomaram jaiva parashum pashamevacha. Kuntayudham trishulam cha. Shargamayudhamuttamam.
Ketakam tomaram chaiva parashum pashamevacha. Kuntayudham trishulam cha. Shargamayudhamuttamam. Ketakam tomaram chaiva parashum pashamevacha. Kuntayudham trishulam cha. Shargamayudhamuttamam.
Ketakam is the shield, normally like sword and the shield they hold. No? And the next one comes Tomaram. Ketakam and Tomaram. Tomaram is a kind of lance, like sword. Sword and the shield that's Asi is one sword. Lance is something that it will have only a thin kind of thing where they will use it for fighting. You have seen a lot of sport involving that lance. So shield and the lance. Parashu is the axe. Pasha mevacha. Pasha is the noose of the rope that Ambal holds in her hand. Noose. Kuntayudham. Kuntayudham is again a spear kind of a thing where the handle is wooden. The spear is the same in the age where it is a sharp-edged one, but the handle is wooden handle. That is what Kuntayudham. Trishulam, you all know it's a trident, Trishulam. Shargamayudham Uttamam. Superior, supreme. Shargam is the bow Mahavishnu holds in his hands. Shargam is Krishna's bow. So, Shargamayudham Uttamam. So, very superior, mighty bow she is holding. Okay? Shield, Ketakam, Tomaram is the lance. Parashu is the axe. Pasha is the rope. Kuntayudham is a sphere. Trishulam is trident and a bow. All these things she is holding. She is a mother of the earth. Then why she has to hold all the weapons? The doubt comes in our head. Sometimes we also take something in our hand. Nothing else also. Our hand itself is our weapon. No. When the children do something, no, when they were very young, but now they will give you back. So, all these things that she has, next line it says, to destroy the demons. Destroy the demons and to protect the good. It's not only the destroying the demons part, to protect the good, all devas they are saying, devanam they are saying, but all the devas, good people are always devas. People, they are equal to devas. here in this earth where we will see Deva. So good people are considered as Devas, and people who who are against, like, this demonish character they are all demons. So to our knowledge that is enough. Okay. Daityanam dehanashaya
Daityanam dehanashaya Daityanam dehanashaya
Bhaktanam abhayaya cha
Bhaktanam abhayaya cha Bhaktanam abhayaya cha
Daityanam dehanashaya Bhaktanam abhayaya cha
Daityanam dehanashaya Bhaktanam abhayaya cha Daityanam dehanashaya Bhaktanam abhayaya cha
Dharayantyayudhanitam
Dharayantyayudhanitam Dharayantyayudhanitam
Devanam cha hitaya vai
Devanam cha hitaya vai Devanam cha hitaya vai
Dharayantyayudhanitam Devanam cha hitaya vai
Dharayantyayudhanitam Devanam cha hitaya vai Dharayantyayudhanitam Devanam cha hitaya vai
Daityanam dehanashaya Bhaktanam abhayaya cha Dharayantyayudhanitham Devanam cha hitaya vai
Daityanam dehanashaya Bhaktanam abhayaya cha Dharayantyayudhanitam Devanam cha hitaya vai Daityanam dehanashaya Bhaktanam abhayaya cha Dharayantyayudhanitam Devanam cha hitaya vai.
So these weapons these gods are keeping for the welfare of the bhaktas. Daityanam dehanashaya, to destroy the demons. Bhaktanam abhayaya cha. Abhayam means free from fear. Abhayam is fear. Free from fear is abhayam. So to dispel that fear in the hearts of the bhaktas and to destroy the demons, for this only all these deities are holding different weapons. That's what Dharayanti ayudha nitham, all these, it is Devanam cha hitaya. Hitaya means for the welfare of these bhaktas, these deities, Devanam. What happened? Dharayanti ayudha nitham. They are all holding different kinds of weapons only for this purpose, for the welfare of the bhaktas, devotees. Okay. Namastestu maharaudre.
Namastestu maharaudre. Namastestu maharaudre.
Mahaghora parakrame.
Mahaghora parakrame. Mahaghora parakrame.
Namastestu maharaudre. Mahaghora parakrame.
Namastestu maharaudre. Mahaghora parakrame. Namastestu maharaudre. Mahaghora parakrame.
Mahabale mahotsahe.
Mahabale mahotsahe. Mahabale mahotsahe.
Mahabhaya vinashini.
Mahabhaya vinashini. Mahabhaya vinashini.
Mahabale mahotsahe. Mahabhaya vinashini.
Mahabale mahotsahe. Mahabhaya vinashini. महाभयविनाशिनी
नमस्तेस्तु महारौद्रे महाघोरपराक्रमे महाबले महोत्साहे महाभयविनाशिनी
नमस्तेस्तु महारौद्रे महाघोरपराक्रमे महाबले महोत्साहे महाभयविनाशिनी नमस्तेस्तु महारौद्रे महाघोरपराक्रमे महाबले महोत्साहे महाभयविनाशिनी.
The Krodha Rupam of Ambal, now we saw the description. Brahma is worshipping her, salutations, namaste. He pays reverence to her. He pays tribute her. Namastestu Maharaudre. Sometimes anger also is worshipped when it is for the right purpose. Without that anger, you cannot destroy the negativity. So, for the sake of that, Maharaudre, he is addressing her as her character, that anger. So, the great fierce one, he's fierce. Mahagora Parakrami. She's not very pleased looking like. Mahagora, mighty. Parakrami. Her courage is like, there is no second to that. She's very courageous. Parakrami. She's not scared of anything. She's very courageous and she looks so mighty. Mahagora Parakrami. Her courage itself is looking like that induces fear in your mind. That is what Mahabale Mahotsahe. Mahabale, her strength is enormous strength, which we cannot comprehend. Enormous strength. Mahotsahe. Utsaha means resolve. Resolve to protect the bhaktas is her resolve. So if the bhaktas need to be protected, you have to destroy the demons. Then positivity has to stay on, you have to destroy the negativity. If you want to dispel the darkness, light a lamp, bring in the light. So to dispel something, to dispel that negativity, with that resolve to protect her bhaktas, Mahotsahe Mahabhaya Vinashi. You destroy that fear in me. He is addressing her. Your anger destroys that fear because you are confident when your superior person is supporting you, when your boss is supporting you, the employee is very happy with that. The support comes. So to support someone, you should have real strength, real courage. That is what you destroy that fear in me because you are resolved to protect me. You have got the strength, you have got the balam. You are mighty, you are courageous. So this dispels that fear in my heart. He is addressing her. Trahi mam devi dushprekshye.
Trahi mam devi dushprekshye. Trahi mam devi dushprekshye.
Shatrunam bhayavardhini.
Shatrunam bhayavardhini. Shatrunam bhayavardhini.
Trahi mam devi dushprekshye. Shatrunam bhayavardhini.
Trahi mam devi dushprekshye. Shatrunam bhayavardhini. Trahi mam devi dushprekshye. Shatrunam bhayavardhini.
Pratyam rakshatu mamaindri.
Pratyam rakshatu mamaindri. Pratyam rakshatu mamaindri.
Agneyam agni devata.
Agneyam agni devata. Agneyam agni devata.
Pratyam rakshatu mamaindri. Agneyam agni Agnidevata.
प्राच्यां रक्षतु मामैन्द्री आग्नेयामग्निदेवता प्राच्यां रक्षतु मामैन्द्री आग्नेयामग्निदेवता
Trahi mam devi dushprechye shatrunam bhayavardhini pratyam rakshatu mamaindri agneyam agnidevata.
त्राहि मां देवि दुष्प्रेक्ष्ये शत्रूणां भयवर्धिनी प्राच्यां रक्षतु मामैन्द्री आग्नेयामग्निदेवता त्राहि मां देवि दुष्प्रेक्ष्ये शत्रूणां भयवर्धिनी प्राच्यां रक्षतु मामैन्द्री आग्नेयामग्निदेवता.
Trahimam. Trahi means protect me. Oh Devi, please protect me. Trahimam Devi. Protect me, Devi. Why you have to protect? Dushprekshe Shatruna. Because of the way you are resolved to protect me, my enemies cannot behold you, look at you. Dushprekshe. It's very difficult for them to look at you. Shatrunam. So what happens? Because they are not able to look at you, Bhayavardhini, their fear also increases. My enemy's fear increases looking at you. Once they look at you like this in this angry form and resolve to protect me, my enemies their fear increases looking at you. Pracham, now the 10 directions, who are all, each direction has got one deity. So, Pracham Rakshatu Mamaindri. Aindri, Prachya means east direction. Let Aindri protect me. Aindri, protect me from the east. Agneyam Agnidevata. Agneya is the southeast direction. Agneya. Agni Devata. Agneya is where Agni Devata is seated. Let her worship me, protect me from the southeast direction. Dakshine Vatu Varahi.
दक्षिणे वतु वाराहि दक्षिणे वतु वाराहि
Nairutyam Khadgadharini.
नैऋत्यां खड्गधारिणी नैऋत्यां खड्गधारिणी
Dakshine Vatu Varahi. Nairutyam Khadgadharini.
दक्षिणे वतु वाराहि नैऋत्यां खड्गधारिणी दक्षिणे वतु वाराहि नैऋत्यां खड्गधारिणी
Pratityam Varuni Rakshet.
प्रतीच्यां वारुणी रक्षेत् प्रतीच्यां वारुणी रक्षेत्
Vayavyam Mrigavahini.
वायव्यां मृगवाहिनी वायव्यां मृगवाहिनी
Pratityam Varuni Rakshet. Vayavyam Mrigavahini.
प्रतीच्यां वारुणी रक्षेत् वायव्यां मृगवाहिनी प्रतीच्यां वारुणी रक्षेत् वायव्यां मृगवाहिनी
Dakshine Vatu Varahi. Nairutyam Khadgadharini. Pratityam Varuni Rakshet. Vayavyam Mrigavahini.
दक्षिणे वतु वाराहि नैऋत्यां खड्गधारिणी प्रतीच्यां वारुणी रक्षेत् वायव्यां मृगवाहिनी दक्षिणे वतु वाराहि नैऋत्यां खड्गधारिणी प्रतीच्यां वारुणी रक्षेत् वायव्यां मृगवाहिनी
Dakshinam is the south. Varahi, the Shakti of Vishnu, Varaha, Murti. Varahi protect me from the south. Nairudyam Khadgadharani. Khadga means sword. The one who is holding the sword is called Khadgadharani. Nairudyam, it is southwest is called Nairuti. Nairudyam Khadgadharani. Nairuti, protect me in southwest. Pratichyam Varuni Rakshet. Varuni, Varunan's consort is Varuni. Pratichyam, west direction. Varuni is protecting in the west direction. Mriga Vayavya Mriga Vahini, northwest direction. Vayavya is northwest direction. Mriga Vahini, the one who rides on deer. Mriga means deer. Mriga Vahini, the one who rides on a deer, she is protecting me from northwest direction. Okay. Udichyam patu kaumari.
Udichyam patu kaumari. Udichyam patu kaumari.
Aishanyam shuladharini.
Aishanyam shuladharini. Aishanyam shuladharini.
Udichyam patu kaumari. Aishanyam shuladharini.
Udichyam patu kaumari. Aishanyam shuladharini. Udichyam patu kaumari. Aishanyam shuladharini.
Urdhvam brahmani me rakshet.
Urdhvam brahmani me rakshet. Urdhvam brahmani me rakshet.
Adasthat Vaishnavi tatha.
Adhastad Vaishnavi tata. Adhastad Vaishnavi tata.
Urdhvam brahmani me rakshet. Adasthat Vaishnavi tatha.
Urdhvam brahmani me rakshet. Adhastad Vaishnavi tata.
Try and combine it and say it together. Rakshet Adasthat. Don't split it as Rakshet and Adasthat. That is what the meaning is actually. Rakshet Adasthat. Okay. Urdhvam brahmani me rakshet adasthat Vaishnavi tatha.
Urdhvam brahmani me rakshet adastad Vaishnavi tata. Urdhvam brahmani me rakshet adastad Vaishnavi tata.
Udichyam patu kaumari. Aishanyam shuladharini. Urdhvam brahmani me rakshet adasthat Vaishnavi tatha.
Udichyam patu kaumari. Aishanyam shuladharini. Urdhvam brahmani me rakshet adastad Vaishnavi tata. Udichyam patu kaumari. Aishanyam shuladharini. Urdhvam brahmani me rakshet adastad Vaishnavi tata.
Udichyam is the north direction. Kaumari is protecting from the north direction. Kaumari is Kumara's consort. So Shikivahana, we saw. Kaumari is protecting in the north. Aishanyam is the northeast is called Aishanya. Shuladharini, the one who is holding the shulam or spear is Shuladharini. She is protecting from the northeast direction, Aishanya Mula. Urdhvam means top. Urdhvam brahmani me rakshet. Urdhvam top, Brahmani, Brahma's wife, she protects from the top. Adasthat, Adhomukham means downwards, upwards and downwards. Vaishnavi Tata, Vaishnavi protects you from the down, Bhumi. So, Brahmani from the top and Vaishnavi from the bottom. We will finish up to 20th at least. Okay? Then this thing will be over at least. Yevam dasha disho rakshet.
Evam dasha disho rakshet. Evam dasha disho rakshet.
Chamunda Shavavahana.
Chamunda Shavavahana. Chamunda Shavavahana.
Yevam dasha disho rakshet Chamunda Shavavahana.
Evam dasha disho rakshet Chamunda Shavavahana. Evam dasha disho rakshet Chamunda Shavavahana.
The sandhi here comes, understand that, Rakshet and Chamunda, when it is coming together, Rakshet Chamunda. So you have to, when you say it together, you have to say Rakshet Chamunda. Yevam dasha disho Rakshet Chamunda Shavavahana.
Evam dasha disho rakshet Chamunda Shavavahana. Evam dasha disho rakshet Chamunda Shavavahana.
Jaya me Chagratah Padu.
Jaya me Jagratah Padu.
Chagrata, not Jagrata. Cha agra is Chagrata. Okay. Jaya me Chagratah Padu.
Jaya me Chagratah Padu. Jaya me Chagratah Padu.
Vijaya Padu Prushtadaha.
Vijaya Padu Prushtadaha. Vijaya Padu Prushtadaha.
Jaya me Chagratah Padu. Vijaya Padu Prushtadaha.
Jaya me Chagratah Padu. Vijaya Padu Prushtadaha. Jaya me Chagratah Padu. Vijaya Padu Prushtadaha.
Yevam dasha disho rakshet Chamunda Shavavahana. Jaya me Chagratah Padu. Vijaya Padu Prushtadaha.
Evam dasha disho rakshet Chamunda Shavavahana. Jaya me Chagratah Padu. Vijaya Padu Prushtadaha. Evam dasha disho rakshet Chamunda Shavavahana. Jaya me Chagratah Padu. Vijaya Padu Prushtadaha.
Chamunda, who rides on a corpse, Shavavahana, who rides on a corpse, she protects all the 10 directions. Now we saw for one direction, one Devi protecting all the, she is the supervisor for everybody, all the 10 deities. So she protects all the 10 directions. Dasha Disho Rakshe, she protects all the 10 directions. Jaya Mecha Agrata, Agra means in the front. Jaya, her name itself is Jaya, so wherever you go, you face only victory. So that is why her name is Jaya. So in front of me, Jaya protects me, and at the back, Vijaya protects me. Jaya, Vijaya. Vijaya protects me. Vijaya is the triumph again. So I never face failure in my life. So in front of me, because Jaya is there, at my back, there is Vijaya is there. So it is wherever I go, whatever I do, I am always successful because of them. Okay? Up to this, we will complete it this time, but we will recite whatever we have learned once. These 15 verses are there. We will recite once, so you can practice it, recite with me together. Okay? Try and see, follow that. Agnina dahyamanastu. Yeah, sixth one. Agnina dahyamanastu Shatru madhye ghatorane Vishame durgame chaiva Bhayata sharanam gataha Natesham jayate kinchid ashubham rana sankate नापदं तस्य पश्यामि शोकदुःखभयं नहि यैस्तु भक्त्या स्मृता नूनं तेषां वृद्धिः प्रजायते ये त्वां स्मरन्ति देवेशि रक्षसे तान्न संशयः प्रेतसंस्था तु चामुण्डा वाराही महिषासना ऐन्द्री गजसमारूढा वैष्णवी गरुडासना माहेश्वरी वृषारूढा कौमारी शिखिवाहना लक्ष्मीः पद्मासना देवी पद्महस्ता हरिप्रिया श्वेतरूपधरा देवी ईश्वरी वृषवाहना ब्राह्मी हंससमारूढा सर्वाभरणभूषिता इत्येता मातरः सर्वाः सर्वयोगसमन्विताः नानाभरणशोभाढ्या नानारत्नोपशोभिताः दृश्यन्ते रथमारूढा देव्यः क्रोधसमाकुलाः शङ्खं चक्रं गदां शक्तिं हलं च मुसलायुधम् केटकं तोमरं चैव परशुं पाशमेव च कुन्तायुधं त्रिशूलं च शार्ङ्गमायुधमुत्तमम् दैत्यानां देहनाशाय भक्तानामभयाय च धारयन्त्यायुधानीतं देवानां च हिताय वै नमस्तेस्तु महारौद्रे महाघोरपराक्रमे महाबले महोत्साहे महाभयविनाशिनी त्राहि मां देवि दुष्प्रेक्ष्ये शत्रूणां भयवर्धिनी प्राच्यां रक्षतु मामैन्द्री आग्नेयामग्निदेवता दक्षिणेवतु वाराही नैऋत्यां खड्गधारिणी प्रतीच्यां वारुणी रक्षेत् वायव्यां मृगवाहिनी उदीच्यां पातु कौमारी ऐशान्यां शूलधारिणी ऊर्ध्वं ब्रह्माणि मे रक्षेदधस्ताद् वैष्णवी तथा एवं दश दिशो रक्षे चामुण्डा शववाहना जया मे चाग्रतः पातु विजया पातु पृष्ठतः।